Nice cock.
Hey friends, it's Akidearest. I just bought a Wii. I saw a bunch of videos of people that claimed that you can order food from your Wii, which is mind-blowing to me because that's basically Uber Eats before Uber Eats was a thing. Maybe there's even a couple of you that weren't even born yet when the Wii came out. I don't know, but I bought a pre-owned Wii just to see if this is legit, and I think that this was mainly a thing that you could do in Japan. The people that are able to do it on the English version, I think were able to mod it in some way because as far as I'm concerned, what I saw online, the program that you can use that's basically Uber Eats for the Wii was Japan exclusive. So I'm in Japan and I make a lot of videos about going over Domino's pizza. That wasn't really planned, but now it's a thing, so we're gonna see if we can order some good pizza or whatever else we can find through the Wii. B, can you set it up for me?
Sure.
How much was this Wii again? I think it was like 30 bucks.
Something like that, yeah.
It was like super cheap. I think when this came out it was like at least 70 bucks. I don't remember.
4,000 yen it was.
Oh, 4,000 yen. So that's like almost, that's around $30.
It came out, 7th of October 2009.
Jesus Christ.
I was 15 when this came
Then
out.
that makes me like 16. This is in pretty good condition. Look at, like,
Here it is.
let's see. Nice cock.
Nice cock! Oh yeah, I forgot you can open up here to put in the GameCube controllers.
This is in pretty good condition.
It is pretty good condition, actually.
I remember there being so many games for this. Yeah, and then the Wii U came out and then I didn't have one.
No one had one.
Guys, so we did not take into consideration that because this thing is so old, we need an AV cable to connect to the TV.
We need an AV cable port.
Oh, we need the port. Oh my gosh.
Did you have a Wii?
Yeah, I had a Wii. I had a bunch of games.
Here's a nunchuck as well. Probably the worst designed controller Nintendo has ever created, in my opinion. In order for motion to be captured on the Wiimote, it needed to interact with the Wii through a sensor bar.
I think we should just save ourselves time and just go to the old TV. I don't care if this pizza tastes like crap. I'm just excited for this thing to work. Okay, so we're in our show room right now, and it should be able to work on there. It's small, but it's small, but it should be able to work. I thought it was fake when I saw the videos of the people that were ordering pizza from there. I was like, there's no fucking way. How did we not have this before? When you send this order in, does it say that you ordered it from the Wii? This had to have inspired Uber Eats or something when Nintendo did it first. And now I wait.
2 double A's, please.
Double A's. Nope. Double A's. I need double A batteries. Double A. Double A. Double A. Ah, there you are. Sakuraco is a monthly authentic Japanese snack subscription box. Sakuraco is supporting with local Japanese snack makers, and each box comes with 20 traditional, authentic, and artisans Japanese snacks, including Japanese teas and a special Japanese tableware. Spring's almost over in Japan, but you can still get a taste of Sakura season from the comfort of your home. This month, Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco are inviting you to join in on what's called the Yozakura experience, which is the Japanese tradition of viewing cherry blossoms at night. The beautifully designed cherry blossom box contains exclusive and seasonal snacks that won't be available once spring is over. Indulge in the unique flavors of Hanawarabi mochi, Sakura ame, and Sakura sweet potato from Sakuraco, and treat yourself to Piccola Sakura matcha and a Sakura cherry bushi. I don't know how to say that, from Tokyo Treat. The Yozakura experience is the perfect way to celebrate the end of the spring and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Sakura season. But time is running out, so order your box now before it's too late. And I think one of my favorite snacks from this might have been this one. I think it's called the Sakura Cream Gaufret. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's sort of like this really thin sandwich with cream inside. Of course, it had to be cherry blossom themed, and the cream inside had this slight floral flavor to it. If you guys would like your own Sakuraco box, feel free to follow the link in the description below. Awesome. I got it.
I always hated putting on this bloody Wii condom on.
What did you just say?
I've always hated putting this Wii condom back on.
The Wii condom?
Yeah, this thing.
This is happening. Ah! It's happening! Oh my god, that music! You're making me? Hey! I look like Buff Carell. Will you don't follow my OnlyFans? Why is that? Wait, hold on. Hey! Ew! Ew!
I think I did a pretty good job.
Okay, how's that?
That's fine. Yeah, there we go. Skip to the next day when we got the necessary equipment.
Yeah! Oh my god. Hi guys. It's been like a week since that last clip that you've seen because I had to get this Wii modified and I had to go ask around people that I knew that could do it and I finally got it modded. So this is the app. This is called the Domino channel. For those of you that were like born way after the Wii, you guys don't understand how big of a deal this is. Like this is like getting a Nokia phone, finding out that you could call DoorDash. No! You know what I should do? I should like order from Uber Eats and from here at the same time and see like which one comes first. Bruh, this is so wild. This is the menu on the Wii. Okay, we got it. We have to order pizza. A whole 9.99 yen. I don't know. Wait, what am I paying in dollars or yen? This has both. Oh my god. No! No! Oh, oh, oh! Yes! Yes! Oh, but no fucking way. And free breadsticks! Ah! We about to do this shit. Do it! Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Yes! Yay! Did someone order Uber Eats? You got Uber Eats?
Sorry. I'm not waiting for the cheese pizza.
Oh, I think we did it. We did it! Oh, shit. Cool. Now the only problem is that the time says that this arrives at 11:08. It's currently 8 o'clock. I feel like the Wii is set to a different time, or this is probably going to be like the longest pizza that I've ever had to wait for.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, camera guy just like made a very good point here. We were really wondering about like the name of some of these places and the price of them. I think that this might be modded to America. Because look at this, the Sushi Shack. Enjoy some sushi. Does that sound like a place that's in Japan? Because that sounds like a place in America that sells sushi. Okay, we got our pizza from a place called The Pizza Place. Let me look this up. Okay, there's 2 locations. One is in New York. The other is in San Francisco. Unbelievable. Oh wait, there's one more. The UK. Shit, I think you somehow not only were able to bring back the Domino channel from the grave, but you've also been able to unlock it to work in only America, despite it being an app that was meant to only work in Japan. I kind of want to know what the other side is going to think, because they're going to get like an order, but it's in Japan? If it's overseas? Oh no. Oh, that's gotta be in America. California roll? Get out of here. Oh my god. Did you just mod the region of this to be America?
It was the only guy that I can find for making it work, so...
That's gonna take longer than 3 hours.
Yeah, I think this is gonna take longer than 3 hours. No! The drive-thru. Food faster than the VPS. What does that even mean? Well, at least we can get free refills. Okay, hold on. How does that even work? Even if this is working, how can I get free refills through ordering through a Wii? He just stays out there with a bottle just being like, okay, I'm just waiting for the notification when you need like free refills. Fried and fried. No, now the internet's disconnected. Okay. Screw this. Screw this. Oh my god. This isn't worth it. I'm actually about to throw in the towel here. At least I got this far. Not every YouTube video can end with a good sign off. This video just ends in disappointment. I'm sorry. I'm sad that I didn't get to live to see this actually work, but that's why Uber Eats exists, and that's why we're about to have some Korean food. Alright guys, see ya.